Alright guys, so I'm on Capcut right now, so I'll click on new project and import the video I recorded. You get my point? And then I will show you how to record the video. You get my point? Alright guys, so here is the video. I will click on mute clip audio, so I'll be able to turn off the sound in the background, the noise. You get my point? So what you need to do is how to record this video. You mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. Understand? You record an empty background for up to 10 seconds. You get my point? Then you can now walk in and then sit. Make sure you go with a can. You get my point? So this particular video I wanted to do it by myself, but my daughter said no, she wanted to join me, and even with that she didn't even let me do what I wanted to do, so I had to leave her there for her to do it. So you get my point? Upon that she did not even do anything. So I had to fast forward this video, so I don't want this video to be very long. You get my point? So now, after I succeeded in making her to do this, or if you are the one doing it, understand, you just sit down at one end of the screen, or you can use the bench, or you can even stand. Then you just do some gesture as if you are trying to command something. Then when you are done with that one, you come in and fold the can. Just press it. You get my point? Press some, just fold it, just the way you see me folding it like this. So when you are done folding it, you just continue with the recording. Make sure everything you are doing is in one recording. You get my point? So when you are done with that, you can now walk away and now save the video to your gallery. So that's just it. That's how to record the video. Now let us edit the video. You get my point? Let me take the video to the beginning. Understand? So I had to fast forward it that time, so I have to click on this, the main clip right here, go to speed, then I'll click on normal and then reduce the speed, so that I'll be able to edit everything. Understand? So now the empty background we recorded is what I need right now. Understand? So at this point, this is the empty background right here, so I'll tap on the video layer and I'll tap on split. You get my point? So now you come over to this other layer you just split it, tap on it, then go and look for overlay. Now you click on overlay, bring it down to the beginning of the video. Understand? So this particular one here, you can just tap on freeze and then you freeze, or you can duplicate it, but I want to freeze the empty scene. Understand? So I'll tap on the empty scene right here, go and look for freeze. Alright, so where is freeze? Alright, so this is freeze right here. So you're going to tap on the frozen layer, tap and drag it, make sure it gets to maybe 30 seconds. Understand? This video is not very long. Understand? So I will leave it right there. Okay, I'm leaving it at 46 seconds. You get my point? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to set that part where the baby, the girl, this is my daughter here, use the magic to squeeze the can. Understand? Because that's what I want to be showing here. Understand? So I'll just tap on this one and delete it, so I will focus on the second layer. So let's go towards that. You get my point? So let me keep scrolling. So guys, if you are beginning to get value from this video, please do well to hit the like button, and if you're coming across my video, please, you're welcome to this channel. Understand? So I edit videos and I teach people how to edit videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update like this. You get my point? Or if you're a content creator and you want me to be editing your videos for you, you get my point? Guys, chat me, just DM me. My WhatsApp link is in the description of this video. You get my point? So from this point here, it's where I want the video to start, where the baby is focusing on the can. Understand? Let me just somewhere here. Okay, let me leave somewhere here. So I will tap on the video layer right here, tap on split, then I will delete the beginning of the video. Then I'm going to drag this one back to the beginning of the video. You get my point? So guys, look at it right now. So this is how the video is going to be from this particular point where the baby is about to squeeze, to clap the hand. Understand? That is where I want the transition to happen. That's where I want the effect to happen. Understand? Now let's go over to when I squeeze the can. Understand? So what I'm going to do right here, I will still tap on the second layer, then I will drag it to make sure I get that part where I squeeze the can. You get my point? So guys, from this particular part where I squeeze the can, okay, after squeezing the can right here, I will tap on the video layer. Now tap on split. You get my point? And then I'm going to come backward here where I want the video to end. Understand? This is where I want the video to end. So I will tap on the video layer right here and tap on split, then I will delete the middle part. Then I'm going to come towards this part here where I squeeze the can. I will tap on the layer, bring it down and make it a third layer. Understand? So this is how the video is going to play. So from this point where the baby squeezed the can, I will just drag it so that it will be something like this. Alright guys, once you align the third layer right here, what you need to do is to go to mask. Now you go to mask. Where is mask? So you click on mask right here. Now you click on rectangle. Get my point? So drag it to this particular part where the can is. Now you resize it. Just make it small. Understand? You can play with the fader icon a little. Understand? Just a little, not too much, a little. So you click on this OK button. So this is what's going to play. Once the baby hits the hand, you see it turns, it makes the can small. Understand? So you're going to do the settings right here, so the transition will be very effective. So what you're going to do to get this to the end of the video is you tap on the video layer right now and go look for freeze. Where is freeze? Alright, so look at freeze here. You click on freeze. You get my point? Then you adjust it to the end of the video. Now you tap on the first layer right here, split, and delete the ending part. So every layer will be aligned right here. So if you should play the video, you see the video is now a 12 seconds video. So if you play the video, this is what you're gonna get. Look at the baby now. It's trying to invoke the power, and look at what she has just done now. Please like and share this video. You get my point? You know we need to grow. So from here you can export your video to your gallery. So see you in our next video. Guys, if you did not like the video now, like this video and let me know what you think about this video.